Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access and business decision making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica has revealed that 14,500 workers either lost their jobs or left the tourism sector during the period January 2025 to January 2026. The agency also says 12,600 persons exited the real estate sector, while another 9,000 left jobs in agriculture, forestry, and fisheries over the same period. In addition, 10,000 sales and service workers, 8,000 clerical employees, and 6,800 agricultural workers either became unemployed or voluntarily left their jobs during the year. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin is reporting that the youth unemployment rate was 10.7% for both males and females in January of this year, compared with 10.1% in January of 2025. The agency also says the unemployment rate for female youth was 12.1%, while for males it was 9.5%. Statin also told RJR News that of the 51,000 persons who are unemployed in January of this year, 9,300 were members of the youth population, compared to 12,700 in January of 2025, when 54,000 persons were unemployed. For the trading period of April 7, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Supreme Ventures Limited with 19,181,458 units, representing 42.72% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 12,180,463 units, representing 27.13% of market sales activities. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,805,417 units, representing 8.48% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in gaming, conglomerate, and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for April 7, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.17 and buying at $158.72. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 62-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114 and was bought for $114.62. The British pound had continued volatility, which offered short-term trading opportunities of $10.18 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $202.03 and was bought for $212.21. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, guess what? Sometimes you don't need your credit report. Consistently investing in the stock market each month does more than grow your money. It actually creates a financial foundation that can be used strategically. By allocating the cash that comes into you into index funds, ETFs, which are exchange traded funds, or strong companies listed on the stock market over time, you're not just saving, you're actually accumulating assets that can serve as collateral. This is called a margin loan, and this steady discipline transforms your portfolio into a tool that opens doors beyond traditional investing. In our funded and focused feature, small or micro stock markets can give founders a simple step-by-step way to raise money and grow their business. First, you've got to get your financial accounts in order and show how the business works before joining a stock market like the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Then you sell a small piece of the company to raise money. After that, you keep sharing updates so people trust you. This trust helps raise more money later. Over time, the business can grow bigger and move to larger markets. The biggest shift happening right now is this. Public markets are no longer just for giant companies. They're being rebuilt for builders. Founders who understand and leverage micro stock exchanges early will have a structural advantage. They have more capital options, greater visibility, stronger long-term positioning. So the question is no longer, can my small company list? It's at what stage should I enter the market? And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.